Every single day, millions of glass bottles are thrown away across the United States, and most people believe that glass gets recycled endlessly. But there's a massive hidden problem behind this industry. While some American cities recycle nearly everything, others dump thousands of tons of glass straight into landfills. And the craziest part, glass is one of the only materials on Earth that can be recycled infinitely without losing quality. So why does America still waste millions of tons of it every year? Today, you're going inside the billion-dollar glass recycling industry in the United States. We'll show you what really happens after you throw a bottle away, the giant machines crushing glass in seconds, the hidden mistakes destroying the recycling process, the advanced technology trying to fix the system, and why this entire industry is racing against time. By the end of this video, you'll never look at a glass bottle the same way again. The United States generates tens of millions of tons of waste every year, and many American cities use something called single-stream recycling, meaning everything goes into the same bin: paper, plastic, metal, glass. It sounds efficient, but it creates complete chaos. During transportation, bottles smash into pieces. Glass mixes with food waste, wet paper, and plastic, and huge amounts become impossible to recycle. The result? Millions of tons end up buried in landfills, even though glass is 100% recyclable. And that's where a massive technological race begins. After glass is collected, it's transported to facilities called MRFs, Material Recovery Facilities. These places look like futuristic waste processing factories. Huge conveyor belts move tons of trash every hour. Magnets pull out metal, optical sensors identify materials, air jets separate paper and plastic, and then comes one of the most brutal stages of the process. Industrial crushers smash the glass into thousands of tiny pieces. This crushed material has a special name, cullet, and cullet is extremely valuable because melting recycled glass uses far less energy than making glass from raw materials. Here's something most people don't know. Industrial glass furnaces operate at temperatures above 2,700 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 hours a day, non-stop, for years. Even a small energy reduction can save companies millions of dollars. That's why manufacturers are desperate for clean, recyclable glass. But there's another massive problem: contamination. Chapter 3, The Invisible Enemy of Recycling, 320 to 445. Visuals: broken ceramics, window glass, mirrors, laser detection systems, sorting technology. Narration: not all glass can be recycled together, and this is one of the biggest mistakes people make. Mirrors, Pyrex, ceramics, tempered glass, window glass, they all contain different chemical compositions, and when they enter the wrong furnace, they can destroy entire production batches. A single piece of ceramic mixed with recyclable glass can create defects in thousands of new bottles. That means financial losses, production shutdowns, massive waste. That's why American recycling facilities invest millions into advanced detection systems. Some machines use ultra-high-speed cameras. Others use lasers, infrared sensors, artificial intelligence. Everything is designed to detect tiny contaminants moving across conveyor belts at extreme speeds. And even then, the system still fails, because the amount of waste generated every day is enormous. In some American cities, recycling glass is so expensive that it no longer makes financial sense, so the glass gets dumped. Yes, perfectly recyclable glass treated like ordinary trash. Facilities now use AI-powered robots. These machines can identify colors, shapes, and materials in fractions of a second. Green glass, amber glass, clear glass, all sorted automatically. And this matters because different types of glass have different market values. The purer the material, the more profitable it becomes. Another major innovation is using recycled glass in construction. Across the United States, crushed glass is now being used in asphalt concrete drainage systems, industrial sand thermal insulation. In some projects, recycled glass replaces natural sand entirely. Is happening inside modern furnaces. American companies are developing new technologies to dramatically reduce the energy required to melt glass. Some systems use partial electrification. Others mix hydrogen into industrial fuel systems. The goal is massive. Reduce carbon emissions in one of the most energy-intensive industries on Earth. Bottle manufacturing plants, high-speed production lines, major beverage companies. Behind recycling lies a billion-dollar industry. Beverage companies rely heavily on recycled glass to reduce costs, because producing new glass from scratch requires specialized sand soda, ash, limestone, huge amounts of energy. Recycled glass melts faster, uses less fuel, and reduces wear inside industrial furnaces. Some American factories can take an old bottle and turn it into a brand new one in less than 30 days. Millions of bottles are thrown away every single day. Why? Because much of the material arrives contaminated or shattered beyond recovery. As a result, some companies are forced to import recycled glass. Yes, America wastes glass while buying recyclable material from elsewhere. Smart cities, advanced robotics, modern recycling facilities, people recycling correctly. The future of glass recycling in America depends on three things: technology, infrastructure, and human behavior, because even with million-dollar machines, the system still depends on people throwing things away correctly. One contaminated bottle, one ceramic plate, one wrong object can ruin entire tons of recyclable material. But if current innovations continue, the industry could enter a completely new era. More automation, more artificial intelligence, less waste, lower carbon emission,